Introducing eCorg, a comprehensive solution for e-commerce. It starts with seamless integration. Manage all your online sales channels in one place. Import orders from your website and marketplaces with ease. Synchronize stock levels and prices. Maintain a centralized product catalog and effortlessly update order statuses and delivery information. Experience fast and error-free order processing. eCorg provides instant order confirmation and availability checks. Assign shipping warehouses, handle prepayments and cash on delivery, and generate all necessary documents, invoices, shipments, and returns with a click. Say goodbye to logistical headaches with our efficient last-mile solutions. Generate picking tasks, pack orders and print labels, and integrate directly with courier services. You can even track deliveries and returns, ensuring a smooth experience for you and your customers. Transform your warehouse from chaos to a well-oiled machine. eCorg offers address storage and fast picking, real-time stock level monitoring, and auto-replenishment by minimum. Plus, it makes handling returns and stock mismatches straightforward. Delight your customers with a smooth return experience. Customers can submit return requests via your website. You can confirm and automate reversals, redirect goods back to stock, and generate reports on return reasons. Happy customers are repeat customers. Take control of your business with insightful analytics. Analyze sales by channel, track average order value, delivery, and returns. Perform A, B, C, X, Y, Z product analysis and monitor sales dynamics and profitability per SKU. Simplify your operations, enhance customer experience, and drive your business forward. Contact us to learn more and start your journey with eCorg today.